So I used to think controlling your monitor was just annoying by default. Tiny buttons, weird menus, reaching behind your desk like a caveman. But I just found an app that lets you control everything, whether that's brightness, layouts, or even my iPad without ever touching my monitor. And here's the best part. After using this for 7 days, I've realized that this is one of those tools that upgrades your entire desk setup and also quality of life. So this is DisplayBuddy, and today I'll show you exactly what it can control, the one feature that genuinely blew my mind, and whether it's actually worth paying for because it offers a lifetime license for a surprisingly low price. Stick around because that one feature genuinely changed how I operate my monitor and also how I use my second monitor. So where does this thing even live? So DisplayBuddy lives right on your menu bar, which is super easy to access and use at any point when you're using your computer. Like literally, it's built for speed and convenience. You don't open an app, you don't dig through settings, you just click once, and that's where the magic starts. Right away, you can control your brightness, contrast, and volume directly from the menu bar. No more pressing the physical buttons, and no more cycling through those really confusing menus on your monitor using that little one button underneath your monitor, because everything is already smooth, instant, and exactly where it should be, right at the tip of your mouse. But this is just the start, because this is where it becomes stupidly convenient. So you can actually switch between your HDMI, USB-C, and DisplayPort inputs directly from the menu bar. And if you use multiple devices like your laptop or your iPad or another monitor, this alone is a complete game changer. And on top of that, you can change your monitor's orientation at a click of a button, or you can even turn off the monitor off entirely, all without touching the display. Okay, now this is a feature where I didn't think it was actually possible, but here we are. So personally, I use my iPad as a second display, and I found out quickly that I can actually use DisplayBuddy to control the brightness directly from my iPad. Just let that sink in for a second. And this means no switching devices and no touching the iPad. And to me, this level of integration and seamless is just completely wild. Speaking of wild, if you found any value out of this video so far, do me a favor and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Plus, if you're into anything simple tech or lifestyle, I always do videos on that, so make sure you follow. Now, this is where it starts saving you time every single day. DisplayBuddy is the only app on the market that does presets at the moment. This means you can save your entire display setup across all devices immediately, however you want, whenever you want, and restore it however you want and whenever you want. So for example, I have a preset called Down to Business. With one click, both monitors snap to the right brightness. I can sync brightness together, or I can unsync them and adjust each display individually. And if one monitor is brighter than the other, you can actually offset the brightness to make sure everything matches however you want it to, which I thought was a really thoughtful and a nice touch. It's just one of those features you don't really think you need, but until you deal with that problem, it's really nice to have. So will this even work with your current setup? So DisplayBuddy is optimized for all the Apple Silicon chips, meaning M1 to M5, none of your performance is ever going to be an issue. And it also supports monitors like Apple Studio, Dell, LG, Samsung, BenQ, and plenty more. Now, they also include Mac widgets, which basically is a preset directly on your desktop. I don't think it's actually that useful, but it is aesthetic to have on your background. Considering DisplayBuddy's on your menu bar, you probably don't need it, but it's nice to have. So is it actually worth paying for? So DisplayBuddy actually only costs $18.99 for a one-time payment. And I want to be clear, this video is not sponsored. And with that being said, I genuinely could not believe I've been going through my entire life without using this one app. I never have to touch my monitor buttons anymore, and honestly, my quality of life doing work has been insanely better. So yeah, I think $18.99 is a complete steal for something as amazing as this one application. Now, I've also contacted the developer because I love this app so much, and I was able to get you a 20% discount link. So if you are interested in using it, feel free to use my link. It gives you 20% off and it supports the channel. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. That's the end of this review for the DisplayBuddy. I really hope you guys do get it because seriously, it's amazing and I think the value is so high. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. It does mean the world to me, and none of it ever gets overlooked. If you want to see more content on fitness, tech, and lifestyle, I will see you guys next Saturday. Otherwise, peace out.